All right, here we are. Today we're going to call it how we've been calling it. Lane 4, not in deep enough is what it looks like, or they might just still have the strap hooked up. Brother, is it even disconnected? Sharon, get down there and disconnect it. You know I can't. Okay, it's disconnected. Jeez, you got to give me some time, Bob. That was the problem. Oh my. They didn't even have it disconnected. Oh, this is gonna be good. Guys, now he's gotta go to a dock. He's gotta go to a dock now. Uh-oh. Oh, he almost kissed it right there on the port side. Oh,
Mommy,
boys.
Can I the car real quick to get something? Get me in too.
Ain't nothing to it for them. Ain't nothing to it for them. So it can be done. It can be done. We'll just start off with that and let you guys know it can be done. Sounded like he's hauling cattle in that truck. Whoa, what's going on? Why? Why did he gun it while he was trimmed? Oh man, I missed it. He was backing up and he didn't even have it trimmed in the water. Straight ahead.
If he gets that on there, it's gonna be a gem.
It'll be a miracle.
Yeah.
Right there in the middle?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Oh,
you caught it. You gave him the bad juju.
It isn't the bad juju, I just know.
You just know. You've been with him a long time.
Yeah, I can drive it straight up on there every time.
So where are you? What are you doing out here?
He thought he was
the man.
Do something.
He thought he was the man.
Exceptional today. I was like, well, by all means, let me get off the boat.
He's exceptional right now. We're gonna have to put him on payroll.
Uh-huh. We'll give myself a bonus next week for this. Have a good day.
You too, dear. That was great. She came over here and told me before it happens, look for my husband. He's just struggling. Hey, but look how clean those Yamahas are. So we're fixing to do a repower, and we've got our motors on the market. Some of you guys have seen the video where we posted our motors up. Some of you haven't. 2013 Yamaha 300s with 1,565 hours, 17K. They're in great condition. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh gosh. He's the man. Meanwhile, all right. She called him out like that. My wife's over here. Madeline, the boss, is over here. She goes, I can't believe she just came over here and called him out like that. Oh, I believe it. Hey, if it's your first time here on the channel, welcome back, or welcome to the Big Dan Show. If you've been here for a while, welcome back to the channel. We have a lot of fun here. We learn a lot, and dude, we're here for a good time. So it's all good. It ain't nothing personal. If you see yourself on the channel and you are less than a perfect citizen at the boat ramp, don't be upset. Don't be offended. It's all in good fun. And everybody has their day. So we're drifting with the wind. No, he's not going in the lane 1,
It's okay.
2, or 3. He's right here centered up, and somehow he's ended up on this side of the
We love dogs.
Okay, now he's flustered. He's coming in hot now. Okay, here we go.
That's Dallas. She's a squish.
Oh boy.
See how
Oh
squishy
boy.
she is? She's like really squishy.
Oh, he's got it. He's got it.
No, you about to go. You about to go with Daddy.
Uh-oh. Oh no.
Come on, Dallas. Go.
Oh, he's in there. Yeah, he's in there.
I love him. Have a good day.
Ain't nothing to it. He had to just get up on there. He's on there.
Shouldn't get mad.
It's a beautiful boat.
There it is.
What do you think? He nailed something, but oh, did he just hit the back of the did he just hit the back of the boat? I mean, he was in between. Uh-oh, now he's going into the dock. Oh gosh. Oh, you heard it. Now I don't know if the setting that my mic's in right now is the best for ambient. So I'm trying to block out some of the wind, but I may flip the settings real quick and the quality might change. So of the audio, let me know. I'm gonna do that now. So do you like this better, or did you like it how it was before? I need to know because I want to provide the best content at the highest quality possible. And hopefully you guys are enjoying the camera work today. New camera, new lens. Oh my gosh, he just went in the water. Boys, he just fell in the water. I missed it. But I kind of got it. I was gonna film her, and he went to go grab the side of the boat, and he went down. Gosh. Y'all need help?
Oh, no.
You alright? He alright? Bro, I know this is this has got a delay. Dude, I went click and he went over. Here, let me go down there and help.
Is he okay?
And I literally hit record and he goes, back up. Oh man, damn.
Your last meal, likely.
Man down. Is he alright? Give us the thumbs up. There he is. He's got the combat medic kit, the IFAK. Pulled the IFAK out. Look over here. My attention is on lane 789. We'll just call her lane 8 today. In the GMC. We've been backing up for quite a while now. Are they gonna get it in the water?
Check one.
I'm watching one too. I'm watching one. Alright, while she's pulling up and going in reverse and everything else, I'm gonna swing over here to lane 1. What and can you turn that down there, freaking Boudreaux? If that goes into the side of that boat right there, that has nobody at the helm and it's being powered on, I don't know. But anyways, back to lane 8 over here. Pontoon cap, GMC. It's pulling back out of the water. Somebody's cheering over there. Turn the radio down.
Are you back with on 8 already?
Yeah, I'm on 8 and 9, but I got somebody cock blocking me with the friggin' radio. Alright. Dude, we're struggling. We're struggling. I don't know. Pursuit. Oh, wait, that's what I've been on. Uh-oh. In the meantime, check them out. Port side. Oh my gosh, he barely cleared it. Whoa. Watch the pole. All right, he's got it. Now back over here in the GMC. All right, look, he's on the phone. He's like, all right, now turn the wheel to the left. All right, now turn it to the right. He's instructing her now. She's gonna get it. You know, sometimes when they don't have the phone and they can't really kind of walk them through the whole scenario, I've seen it take them 25 minutes to get it in the water. You know, and people are like, why are you filming? Like,
They can't even
why,
hear themselves talk.
why don't you go down there and why don't you go down there and help them? Be a boater. Doesn't the boating community help? Yeah, on the water. Or if you need help at the dock, or if somebody's in danger. But I just don't hop in there. Dude, turn the music off, Bo. They're drinking at the boat ramp with the music on. They got it. He nails it. He nailed it. Check him out. He's running in the... Oh my. Skin back. Bro's shooting a rooster tail like he's... Yes, sir. In the Nautic Star, lane 8 and 9. Was he having a hard time? I think we're gonna have a double here.
I'll be right back. Well, I guess I'm gonna get...
Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh man, I thought the stern was gonna kiss it. They got out of it. They got out of it. All right, check the Nautic Star. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. And the prop wash probably was gonna actually help him kick that stern over, but it didn't. That's okay. That's okay. I think I've seen this crew before. What y'all's in the meantime? I know we got a little bit of background noise. We got some music coming down here. Somebody's on the dock banging some... Who is that? What is that? I know it ain't who sings that? Madeline? The boss is who? Morgan Wallen? I thought y'all exed that dude. Didn't he get canceled?
He came back. No.
He said Ninja Turtles. And his neighbor heard him or something?
He worked out.
He worked his way out of it. Okay. Anyways, what's y'all's favorite genre? I got a lot of people on here when they pull up and they got the freaking rap on or they got the country. Everybody's got an opinion. You can't please everybody, but what do you prefer to listen to while you're out on the water? Is it just this? You want to hear the birds and the seas? Uh-oh, he's just gonna crawl off the bow. He's just abandoning the ship. Probably a good idea to just take the old belly flop off the back. Well, he's balancing. He's trying to push it over. Oh, that ain't good. They need to pull up. They need to pull up. He's like, pull up, huh?
Look, he's gonna hit the dock.
Where?
One. How's he even gonna get out of his truck?
I don't know. Oh my gosh, this whole place is going crazy. Oh man, he's about to hit the dock right here. Golly, he's close. How's he gonna get out of the truck? How's he gonna get out of the truck? Oh man, over here. Back on lane 6. I'm gonna ask these people to turn it down a little bit. No?
He can't say that.
Thank you. Yeah, he changed the song. He didn't just cut it off. All right, lane 2. Here we go. Or lane 3, rather. I said something on here earlier. I said, how do y'all want me to call it this year? Do you want me to call it the true 1 through 6, or do you want me to do it how we usually do it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because yeah, on the website it's 1 through 6, but totally capable of getting 9 in here at a time. We've seen it done over and over and over again. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Is he gonna nail it? I mean, they're in too deep on the Sea-Doo. Wave Runner, whatever it is, doesn't matter. It's a freaking jet ski. They're in too deep. It's gonna be ball. Yeah, when he hops off the ski, it's gonna be balls deep, no doubt. No doubt. Watch this. He's gonna step off straight. It's gonna just swallow him. Oh, he's stepping on the wheel well. Walking down the side of the frame. Come on in. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, watch the boat beside you. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Oh, that could have been bad. Watch the dock. Oh, he's gonna swing pretty hard now. He corrected it. That could have been pretty dang bad right there for that captain. Just remember, you are responsible for not only your vessel, but the ones around you. Especially if you're doing something like that. You're trying to play bumper boats, we're not interested. Unless you're paying for the gel coat repair bill. Oh boy, you just gotta back out of there. Just get all the way out of there. We need a total reset now. We're at the point where you need the whole full reset. Oh, what was that? Freaking views. All right, here we go. Lane 6, doing it again. Doing it again. Oh man, he's in there. Let's check him out over here on lane 1. Oh boy. Oh boy. Somebody commented on here the other day. They're like, why do you always say, oh boy? What in the... Yeah, they're not drinking. You want in on that? You want in on that? No, I just looked down there. I was like, oh my. A minute ago, I was like, they need to turn the freaking radio down. They're messing me up, but I got a front row seat to the titty bar. Here we go. All right, swinging back down to 6. They still ain't got it on. I got subtracted. I don't know if I got subtracted, distracted. I don't know. I'm not sure how to speak English anymore. I'm videoing everybody. He said, we got us a body built. That dude looks strong right there. For an old cat, that dude is the man.
I got some money.
All right, in the pontoon. Y'all check him out. We're bow riding. That console's pretty far forward, isn't it? Doesn't it look like it's kind of forward? I mean, not like too far forward. I'm just saying that's just how it is. Is it too deep? I'll let y'all be the judge. What we doing down here? What we doing? Oh, crunch. I'm hearing it clicking and clacking and crunching, dude. Get it on there, boy. Get it on there. Oh my gosh. It's got to be the first day with the new boat. I ain't hating. I'm loving it. You got to start somewhere. There ain't nothing wrong with it. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Oh, there's our DJ down there on lane 7. He's on that thing crooked. He's on that thing crooked. Just for the fact that they sat down there for 30 minutes, I should have been on him. Something's a scratching. Oh boy. Look at the motors. Look at the motors. Uh-oh. Buddy's got the helm master and he's still struggling. You'll have that. It's just part of being on the boat.
Hey, look, and they still do it when they're 30 years old.
Y'all keep on that. Looks like they were going in on lane 9 and took a quick bail. Back to business. Back to business, lane 7. I'm just wondering why my boy ain't got the radio blaring now.
He's breaking glass down there.
Hey, get up here now.
I've already told him to stop.
He should crank the radio up now.
How do you know my name?
Dad, you should have seen that.
Watches the channel.
Look how big it was.
Hey, money shot, move. I don't know what's going on, but he was on cockeye. Oh wait, look, it looks like they're fixing the bunks down there. So maybe it wasn't the captain's fault.
Watch me take this.
Whoa, whoa. Getting aggressive here. Oh, man, they crab did crunch. Crunch. Listen. Please, over there. In the meantime, look at the 42 Freeman. Maybe it's a 47. Big boy. All right, with the flags, when they have the flags, they're typically struggling or going to struggle. That just seems like that's the deal. Like, you got some wind, you got the flags up, it usually doesn't end. See what I mean? See what I mean? You can spot them a mile away. They got the flags up. It's like trying to, just picture trying to put a sailboat in a slip with the sails up. Just, I don't know. Meanwhile, I've been checking over here on the ICW. There's a boat, and they've drifted into the weeds over there. So we're gonna keep an eye on them. All right, lane 1, new crew. Never seen them around here before. Never seen them around here before. Will they get it? Oh, they got it. They got it. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Oh man, same setup, same setup, same setup. No, no, don't grab the pipe. Oh gosh. Oh, he corrects her, he steers her on there. She said back it in a little bit more. He just said back it in a little bit more. That boat that was over there on the weeds, they're pulling off the weeds now, so they got her started. That's good. I'm not going to take my eyes off this guy. Oh boy. Back it in a little more. That means you deepen the bunks so the hull, the keel can't get in between the guides. But he recorrects, and I think he's going to have it. Look at that John boat. That thing is sick. It's like a 24-foot John boat. Legit. Look how big the John boat is. Look how big the John boat is. That thing is freaking pimp. I seen that wind. I was like, oof. It was a beautiful day.
We dropped the top real quick.
I know that's right. Yeah, I looked at it. It was 79 and it was sunny. We had a baseball tournament. I said, I got to get to the boat ramp.
Yes. How many? My wife just said, I wonder how many hours he puts in just to make one video.
Well, it depends. If I got the supply here where people are just like being dumb, I mean, I could shoot a video in an hour, but I'll probably have 10 to 12 hours in editing.
That boy over there on one looks like he's a little bit. Did you get old Paul's dream that was just right there?
Which one?
Some little boat right here. How 3 guys